Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on languages and input and tap on languages. This is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one. Sometimes you can pick the region, so also tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, the language has been applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. It is because we have to reorder the languages. The language which is on the very first position is applied. So let me tap on the language, tap on it and hold it. And right now let's drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me change it again, tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. If you want to remove the languages from this list, all you have to do is to tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Mark the language you want to delete and the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.